Okay, let's open up the file. Here's the file we copied in here. This is showing a preview of the tool paths. So first, let's turn the machine on. Now, the first thing we need to do is home all axes, so that way the machine will know where its 0, 0 point is in absolute machine coordinates. Now we're going to tell the machine where the stock is located on the router table. So I'm going to use this screen here to help me find that 0, 0 point. This is called a touch plate. This goes on the corner of the material. Clip this clip onto the tool. I'm just going to I'm manually moving the machine right now. Just going approximately into the center of the circle there, and then the machine is going to probe the edges of it and find out where the center of that circle is, and that corresponds to X0 and Y0 on my part. So we can use this measurement inside here, inside of a circle. So we're going to start in the center, and it will move outwards to find the edges of that circle. All right, that's the center there. We're going to touch off X, call that 0 for X, and Y is 0. And now we have to do the Z. So I'm going to manually just come over on top of the piece here. So I'm going to press this touch off Z button. That's going to drive the bit down until it touches the top of the material. Okay, so now it knows where Z0 is. Now we'll put this dust shoe on. Okay, we're ready to run the file.